In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all comments on Facebook at once. Let's get started. Start by opening your Facebook app. Now tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right corner. Scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Keep scrolling until you see your activity, then tap Activity Log. Now tap on Search button on the upper right corner. And write comments. Now tap on Comments in Results. Now tick all to mark every comment in this list. And now just tap on Remove button and confirm your choice by tapping on Remove button here to delete your comments. You will be asked to enter your password, so enter it. And there you have it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.